So today we'll be doing lesson on how to play this song, okay? Not just how to play the song, but how to go along with the song progression, okay? So I'll be giving you nice decent feel for the chord progression and maybe some passing note and some riff, okay? So if you're interested, watch the video to the end so that you don't miss any part of it, okay? I also do private class lessons. If you're interested, you see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link, it will take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay guys, grab a bass and let's begin with the tutorial. So first of all, the song was played on key F sharp. These are things you need to know. First of all, the B string gives you the 4. You understand? So you can be playing a little riff and play a 4 to maybe match the riff note you're playing, okay? And also the E string gives you your 7 flat. Okay, these are the things you need to know, and once you know the major scale, you should also know how to apply them on the higher note. You understand? So now let's jump into the song and let me break it down for you. One, 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 7, 7, 7, 7, 6, 6, 6, 6, 5, 5, 5, 5, 4, 4, 4, 4. It's a very nice descending chord progression. So what you just need to do is when you locate your octave, so 1, 2, 1, 7, 7, 3, 5, 1, 6, 6, 6, 6. Then now you heard I did a fill on the 4. So that is a 5 to a 4, okay? Okay, so you see now I am using the open string on key F sharp on that B string, okay? So what you just need to do is learn this 2, 3, 2, 1, 7, 1. Then this supporting note, that's your 4. You play it. That's on the 4 progression. So 1, 2, 1, 7, 3, 5, 6, 6, 6, 6. Da, 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 da. You understand, okay? Da, 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 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Now you go into the 6, 2, 3, 5, 1, 6. So you do the 6 like this, 5, 6. Okay, 2, 3, 5, 1, 6, 1, 2, 5. So you now be starting on the 6 progression instead of the 1. First one you start on the 1, 1, but now we are starting on the 6, 6. Again. 5, 5. Now to the 6. 3, 1, 7, 5, 6, 6, 6. 3 progression. So that is passing note to your 3. 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. Then 3, 5, 1, 5, 6. Then the fills 2, 3, 2, 1, 7, 1. You understand, okay? Then to your 6 again, 2, 3, 5, 1, 5, 6, 1, 2, 5. You understand, okay? So when you end the song and you enter into the second da 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 da, okay, let's say you're ending 5 1 da 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 da. You can use this riff on the F sharp or maybe any key. You understand? So if maybe you're using a key and you are not having that free string that will give you the 4, you can just do it this way. But you need to work on your fingers and make sure that you stretch it up where you can get that 4. So you understand? Okay, so you slide to your 5, 2, 7, 1, then your B string, then 2, 2, 5, 2, 5, 1. That is to the 4. Another pass note to the 4. 2, 3, 2, 1, 4, 1, 4. You can either stay on the 2, 3, 2, 1, 4 like this, or you can bring in the heavy 4, 4, 1, 4, 5, 5, 1. You understand? Okay. Da 4 to your 7, 3, 6, moja no 2, moja no 5, 5, 5, 5, 1. Okay, so this you'll be going from the 4, 7, 3, 6. You understand? Okay. Mire ni da swasa. You can do it to the 3, 3, 6. That is, I'll say, is a beginner stuff, but do it this way. Mire da 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 7, 3, 6. So you bring in a 7 before you go to the 3, 6. So how to improvise on that progression? 4, 7, 7, 2, 2 sharp, 3, 5, 1, 5, 6. Then to your 2 progression. 2, 2, 2, 3, 4 to the 5 progression. 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 5, 5, 5, 1. Okay. Now the second one. So 4, 4, 4, 4, 5. So to your 4, you went to the 5, 5, 6, 6 flat 5, 2, 2 flat 1, 2, just like that. So when you're on the 1, you can also do it 1, 1, 3, 4. So that is 1, 2, 2 flat 1, 3, 4. Then you're 1. You understand? Okay. Okay, so I wanted to give you some chords to that. So 4, 4, 4. So you slide to your, you understand? So 2, 5, 6, 5, 6, then your 4, then to your 3. Or you can just use a 2 note, 3, 5, then out to your 6. That is 6, 1, 5. Or if you don't use the heavy note on the 6, so when you play 3, so you have your 6 and your 1. So now you end the song 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 5, 5, 5, 1. So let me teach you these lines. You can apply this bass line to simple praise out there. So 4, 6, 4, 3, 2. 4, 6, 4, 3, 2. 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5. 4, 5, 5, 5. So your 1. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1. Da, 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 da. Just like that. 4, 5, 5, 5. You can also do 4, 6, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 6, 6 5 5 2 3 4. Now you bring in the 6 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 5. So let's change it.
Can you bless God? Can you bless God? Can you bless God? Hey, Urema toka pena, kesi Yesu aba. Hey, Robe wachi ya ya.
So it's very simple. You're using the root and octave and you apply this technique called the slide. So 4 4 2 2 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 1 then 3 4 2 2 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 then 1 2 6 7 flats then 3 you understand? Okay, learn the bass line, master it very well, and you can start to use them out there. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.